Hey guys, Apu here, and today's video is about Apple iPhone 3G Disassembly. And I'm going to show the touchscreen and the motherboard disassembly. I'm not going to show other parts disassembly because it's very easy. And okay, I'm going to start. Removing the silicone case. Now the screws from the bottom. Okay. Now if you have special tools, take that tools. I don't have this, but I have a screwdrivers kit, and now I'm going to put out the touch screen. But I recommend you to buy the phone repairing tools, and this will be more easy to disassemble this. And okay, wrong one. Okay, I took it out. And now the most important part. Slowly take it up. And now stop. There you will see some connectors. I'm gonna take it closer. There are the 3 connectors. I have to remove them. Okay. Take the phone very carefully. Take this up. Take a screwdriver or removing tools. And now remove the first card. There. Sorry, I need more light. Okay, it's much better. Okay, so there is the first card. And there is a second card port. Okay, I removed it. And there are the third card, which is the most important to you to remove, and you have to do everything very slowly. So take the screen now, carefully. Take it out like this. And here you will see the third card, the third part. Take a screwdriver and there is this white connector holder, this one, and you have to put it up. I'm going to do this. Okay, I took it up. Now carefully remove the touchscreen. Slowly. Okay, done. Now we remove the touchscreen. How you can see, the part of touchscreen, it's not damaged. The ports are still in good condition. Okay, now let's take a motherboard. Okay. And I forgot one thing. Before you screw it, you have to open the next three parts. This is the fourth part, fifth part, and the sixth part. And first of all, remove the fourth part. Okay. The fifth part and the sixth part. Okay. Now you can take a screwdriver and start to remove the screws. Okay. There are one here, here, and one here where you see the do not remove. Take a little focus. Do not remove. Okay, this one. Okay, and I'm going to screw it now. Okay, the third. Sixth. And this one. Do not remove. Okay. And the second screws now is removed. Carefully place the phone on the table. Okay. And okay, now take out the motherboard. So take a screwdriver and take it up. Of course slowly, because you can damage it. And before you take out the motherboard, remove the SIM tray. Here it is. Because you can damage the motherboard too. Okay, now put it up. Okay, now remove the camera screw. It is here. It's very easy to remove it. Okay. Now carefully again take a motherboard out. Carefully. Camera. Okay. Now pull to the right. And that's all. We have a motherboard in your hands. Carefully place it here. And now you have the all left parts of the iPhone, and how you can see, this is the battery, sound buttons, power button, and the charger tray. This is the battery connectors, and yeah, so it's very easy to remove all these buttons and chargers applies, just to remove screws there and there and there, and there are one screw. How to remove the battery? Oh, sorry. Just take a screwdriver or removing tool is the best as always, and take it up. You're holding the phone. And it will be taken up. But I do not want to do this because I just replaced my new battery. And now it works perfect. So that was a short tutorial how to disassemble the Apple iPhone 3G. How you can see, we took out the motherboard and the screen, the touch screen of the screen, and we not damaged the connectors and the motherboard. That was careful removing, and the phone will work great after I will put everything in again. So thank you for watching. That was iPro Help. Please like, subscribe, and goodbye. Enjoy this and repair your phone correctly. See ya.